For most people, and especially if this is your first website, the best all-around pick is Hostinger. Out of all 5, it's the most well-rounded. It wins the 2 things that matter most when you're first starting out: ease of use and support, and it stays strong everywhere else, with solid speed and security and a lot that you get for the price. And while it isn't the fastest, and a few of its features only come with the higher plans, it never falls behind on anything we looked at, and that's exactly why it's the one I'd recommend for most people. Now, with that said, there's no single best host for anyone. The right one really depends on your situation, so here's who the others are for. If you just want a simple website online for as little as possible, go with Namecheap. It's the cheapest of the 5 over time, but just know that it's best for small sites. If you want simple, no-pressure hosting that's cheap to get started with, DreamHost is a solid choice. It's the slowest of the 5 though, and signing up takes a bit longer. If your site is growing and you want strong support and room to scale, SiteGround is also a great fit. Just keep that renewal price in mind. And if you get a lot of visitors, or your income depends on your site staying fast and online, Cloudways is also a great choice. You're paying for serious power and security with no contracts, and the only real downside is that it takes a bit more time to set up. So whichever one of these sounds the most like you, that's the one to go with. And if you're still not sure, you really can't go wrong starting with Hostinger. So whenever you're ready to get started, the links for all 5 hosts are waiting for you down in the description, and going through one of those links gets you the best price possible. And if you go with Hostinger, there's also a full setup tutorial linked down below that walks you through the whole setup from start to finish. If this video helped you out, a like really goes a long way. And go ahead and subscribe if you want more simple, clear guides just like this one. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.